ahead, Zachary.
Say Daddy. Let me see. Ready? Okay, stay open. Open really big. Go open really big. Yep.
Because see if you have all your teeth.
Next time I'll bring it out. Good job. That's okay. Just leave it like that. You don't have to wear them right now.
Okay, I put some too.
Sure. Wait. Ready? Open really big. This probably won't fit, so I won't stick it in all the way. It's just enough to get it on his teeth. Open really big. And I want you to bite down really hard. Can you bite down really hard? Perfect. That's okay. Do you want to spit? Open. And close your lips again. Oh, you made a funny noise. Okay, ready? Open. There we go. Lots of water. Good job, Zachary. Good. How do your teeth feel? You did so good.
Where did you go today?
And now I kissed my mom. And now my teeth are so now.